What's up guys, and just want to make this video really fast. Well, this part of the video, that is. I want to say thanks for all the awesome new followers that I got since last week, since my setup went viral pretty much after posting it on PC Master Race and just continuing with messages going and how I built the setup, and people wanted to see more, and I posted my links to pretty much the social media as Instagram, Twitter, and my YouTube channel, and people has been following and also been answering a lot, pretty much asking a lot of questions, which I've been answering, and also really appreciate all the extra subscribers. It's really helpful for my channel and also for Furious PC Gaming in general. So yeah, that's just one part of the video. Another part is that in this video, me and Shuffleman, that's me, that's him, is gonna help, well pretty much he's gonna help me doing cable management under that disc right here. Beneath it, that is. It's a cable nightmare. It's one of the things that I've been wanting to do for like 5 years, because for some other whatever reason I never ever came along doing it. So here yesterday, me and Shuffleman decided we're gonna make a video about the cable chaos nightmare. I'm gonna fix all the cables, take all the monitors away, and gonna do the whole cable management thing, because else it's never gonna be done. So we pretty much gonna be doing it today, and hopefully everything's gonna work out correctly. And also we're gonna rewire all the cables to the audio system for the live streaming PC. So everything is gonna work correctly. So hopefully everything is gonna go right, and hopefully it's gonna look beautiful after we are done. So have a ride with us, and gonna do the time lapse and so on. So yeah, see you guys, and gonna see you in the end of the video. Hopefully this goes right.
Smoke lingers after fire. Return
So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video with the time-lapse and the cable management, the cares that we did behind us. The room itself had never been this clean in cables and stuff with it, and Shuffleman took care of the cable functions, whatever you want to call it, all the different power supplies and freaking cares and all that. All the pictures is on my Instagram, and it's also going to be posted in the description. And well, yeah, there's only a few things that I need to say. Is that if you want to see gameplay videos, you need to head over to Junks. I don't know where exactly I'm gonna put him on the
right here.
Right here or something there, right? Head over to his channel, check out his awesome videos, like his awesome scare tactic video gameplay that he do when he gets scared. He's hilarious. He's really fun to watch. Anyhow, if you really like this video, give a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, well, shoot yourself.
Yeah.
And hit a subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one, and take care and have a good night.